A very good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present our case study paper in the International Management Conference at CMS Jamia Millia Islamia. I, along with my presenter, author Miss Azba Fatima, thank you all for this opportunity. And we are very delighted to present our case study, which we have written with in an intent to address certain issues in the particular industry. And we hope that you like it, and we will have some valuable comments on this particular piece of work. So let me tell you about the case study. Let me give you the presentation. My title is An Analysis of Indian Motor Pump Industry with reference to its demand during pandemic, a case of Universal Pumps. So a Universal Pump is basically a dealer in pumps, and their problem is basically how do they sustain in the market where there are a lot of new entrants and with very selling at a very high pace and at greater volumes. So the agenda for our presentation today is the dilemma of the firm, the introduction and background, the industry overview, and particularly we will be focusing on the internal analysis of universal pumps with the help of IFE matrix. And we will be finally addressing the issues and challenges. So the dilemma started when the universal pump realized that when the universal pump realized that their margins are becoming very low, and there is no way that they can sustain in the market. Then immediately the pandemic happened and lockdown happened, and fortunately for them the demand for the motor pumps increased. Earlier people were not so aware of pumps. The family would sit together to buy a refrigerator, to buy a television, the reference group. People would the family people would get indulged into it, but nobody is bothered when it comes to buying a pump, which is an essential item for every household who are dependent on pumps for their water supply. But this took a u-turn, and people started appreciating the different brands of pumps, because earlier people were dependent on the contractors, the shopkeepers, or the plumbers, that they will come, they will bring the pump with them, and they will arrange the pump generation of water and all. But people in lockdown faced a lot of hurdles when it came to water supply, because the demand for water arose, and supply of water was the need of the hour. And this supply could be possible with the help of good quality pumps, which people realize that they are not having. So immediately the market for pump industry took a very sharp u-turn in terms of betterment, and there was an increase in the demand for particular different for increase in demand for different brands of pump. So this is our story, and how it how universal pump address the crisis. They address the crisis by we try to evaluate an internal analysis for universal pump, which we would like to show you. And we would like to discuss the Indian pump industry also, that where these pumps are being utilized. So let us show you that they are utilized in the agriculture sector, building services, water and wastewater management, power generation, oil and gas, metal and mining, and others. So that is the market segment for any pump manufacturer and dealers also. So the impact of COVID-19 on pump industry, I have already told you that there was an immediate demand for pumps, because the usage of water was high, and hence the good quality pump would really give them good supply of water. They will have good electricity bills should also be addressed. All these issues for an Indian middle class income group. Now, I would like to bring you on the different areas where universal pump could actually deliver themselves. So I would like to discuss this internal factor matrix which we have constructed for universal pumps. Now, IFE matrix is a kind of a formulation strategy when it comes to know about the strengths and weaknesses of a firm. So here we try to rate the strengths and the weaknesses of universal pumps. And let us see, when we say internal factor matrix, we are talking of strengths and weaknesses of the firm. Strengths and weaknesses are internal, opportunities and threats are external. So today we are doing the internal factor evaluation matrix through which we would come to know whether universal pump could withstand these growing demand and could sustain in the market. So I will be telling you the rule also, that we assign weights to the strengths and weaknesses, and the rule should be, the thumb rule is the total weight should be 1. So we have to give them weights, assign them weights within 1, and the total should be 1. Now it depends on us how many strengths we would like to address, but technically it should not be more than 5 or 6 or maybe 7 strengths at a time, because you need to justify the weight also. So we are assigning weights in terms of how the industry sees it, and we are going and ratings are firm based, weights are industry based, ratings are firm based. So let us see, we are going to give weight to this the strengths. Let me tell you the strengths. Diversified income, a dealer of 4 different popular brands, universal pump, so we are giving it 0.10, which is good. Brand reputation of the brands company deals in, 0.08. Extensive distribution channels, 0.07. Universal pumps offer an overhauling of pumps, which is a very good critical factor for them, so it is 0.04. Strong market coverage through networking, 0.08. B2B marketing leading to higher profit margins, 0.11. Diversified products portfolio for spare parts of pump, 0.08. So these are the total strengths, and we are assigning ratings to it. Remember, ratings are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is for major weakness, 2 for minor weakness, 3 for minor strength, and 4 is major strength. We will only address strength with 3 and 4, and we will address weaknesses with 1 and 2. So we are giving it 4 here. And what is the weighted score? It is nothing but the multiplication of weight into rating. So this is the result. So let us see, we are giving rating to this as 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, and 4. So this is their major strength. Diversified product portfolio offers spare parts of pumps, so here we are giving them as their major strength. Let us see the weakness also. Universal pump financial position was not strong. Dependence on companies like Kirloskar and KSB to keep their business running. Universal Pumps focuses on more B2B, despite the fact that B2C market has potential. Low margins on brands, presence of many dealers nearby, that is 0.05. And we are giving them ratings as major weakness. This is 1. This is minor weakness. This is again minor weakness, and minor weakness. So the total here is basically 1 of both strengths and weaknesses, and this is the multiplication, and the result is 2.82. Now what this 2.82 indicate? This 2.82 indicates that the 2.5 is the average. If it is below above average, they can really sustain in the market and look out for certain, by increasing their market share. They can have a lot of they can have a lot of options to increase their market share. They can sustain in the market. And if it is below 2.5, then it does not mean that they cannot sustain, but they really have to work hard. So here their average is above 2.5, it is 2.82. So while the score is above 2.5, universal pumps have brighter chances to stay in the market. However, they will have to differentiate themselves from the competitors. It is a monopolistic market where there are large number of sellers and large number of buyers selling similar products, and hence it can only differentiate themselves on the basis of communication, aggressive selling methods, and perfect logistics system operated through ERPO like SAP. So SAP is an ERP, that is um, systems application product. It's an ERP package. A word of mouth about the dealer within the target market will keep them fresh and kicking. How long the customers will remember the need or importance for this product? Will the impact of pandemic keep customers on their toes for such products, or it will fade away in few months? Time will tell the growth rate of pump market. So this is about this particular dealer, and how are they going to cope the situation, because there are large number of dealers. As I told you, it's a monopolistic competition. The profits will be wiped off. There are no threat of entrance. Anybody can enter into it if he has money. So universal pumps universal pumps needs to differentiate itself, so that they can sustain in the market and they can have a huge market coverage. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for giving us the opportunity. That's all from us. Thank you.